Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are making carrot oil. Carrot oil brightens your skin, gives you clear skin, and take out that mark and takes out stretch mark on the body. So in this we are going to be using just carrot and coconut oil. You can use olive oil or any oil of your choice. So you take your carrot to the sink, you wash it very well, take out the skin, take out every single dirt that is in it so you don't have dirty carrot oil. You have to use a lot of water to wash this. You know that carrot is root, and when it is root it comes a lot of things. After that you get out your grater and you grate. You have to use the smallest part to grate the carrot. You grate and you grate until you are done grating. So guys, take out time and follow me, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. And if you are new here, I say welcome very much. So you keep on grating and grating until you get a very fine grated carrot, which is what you need for this. So as I was still grating it, I got this fine carrot that has been grated very well. So get your pot, put on the fire, put in the carrot and fry until all the moist is out, because you don't want moist in your carrot oil. If it's there, it will go bad. So I'll fry and fry until it's no moist. Get my coconut oil, I pour it in. I'm using just 1 cup of coconut oil because I'm not making much, but if I'm making much, you can add more than that. After pouring in the coconut oil, guys, you keep on a low heat because you don't want to use high heat. If not, it's going to burn and it will not infuse very well. So you have to use low heat so that all the oil will infuse into the carrot, and you keep on stirring because you don't want it to get burnt. And guys, when you are done, you turn off the heat and let it cool. When it is cool, you can leave it for hours, or you can leave it for like 24 hours. Like mine, I left mine for 24 hours. Now I cover the pot for it to stay the next day. This is the next day. Everything has infused very well. You now stir it for it to combine very well again. You can see how I'm just stirring so that everything will get very combined. So now I'll get my dry plate, because you don't need water in this. You get your dry plate, get your sieve, and then now pour in the coconut oil and the carrot so you can get your fine carrot oil. So at this point you can see I'm pouring the carrot and oil in the sieve to take out the oil. After pouring it, you want all the oil to come out, so you get a spoon and you press. You just press as I'm pressing so that all the oil will come out, because you don't want to miss any single drop. Guys, see, follow me and subscribe to my channel at this point if you haven't done that. So now you can see the fine carrot oil we have gotten here. See how fine it is looking. It takes out that spot from the body, it brightens your skin. So now get your dry bottle, any bottle you know is good for you, and pour it in after sieving it. Guys, this is the quantity I got from just 1 cup of coconut oil. After that, you just cover it tightly and you can use it on your table top or anywhere you want to leave it. Nothing will happen to it. See how fine it is looking. Guys, thank you for watching.